Hey everyone, it's Lena here, and in this short video we'll learn everything about Keylab MK3's chord mode, scale mode, and arpeggiator. Let's dive in. Keylab MK3's arpeggiator and chord mode let you create interesting melodies and rich harmonies quickly and easily. Let's start with the arpeggiator. To give you an idea of what the arpeggiator is capable of, check out this short pattern. To activate Keylab MK3 arpeggiator, press the ARP button. Now anything that you'll play will be arpeggiated. Outside of just toggling the ARP on and off, you can also change the arpeggiator's behavior. To access its settings, long press the ARP button. This will take you to the ARP menu. First function is the ARP playback option, which lets you choose the order in which your notes are played. This includes up, down, random, and much more. Now let's hear a few of these direction modes in action. Another way to change the arpeggiator's behavior is to change its time division. These time divisions are measured in quarter notes, eighth notes, 16th, and 32nd notes, including triplets and dotted modes. The higher the note division, the faster the arpeggio. And it is always synced to the master tempo, either from Keylab MK3 or from an external source that's playing. Next up, we can define the gate length of the pattern. After that, there is an octave range selector. It lets you choose whether the notes play within the original octave or whether they'll repeat the same notes 1, 2, or more octaves higher. Swing button allows you to make the pattern more groovy by adding swing. We can also set the arpeggiator's rate in beats per minute and define its sync source. Keylab MK3 arpeggiator's uniqueness comes with the ARP random feature that allows you to randomize its patterns. Enter the random page to explore all its functions. Here you can define trig probability as well as randomize divisions, octaves, skips, gates, ratchet, and velocity. These functions are designed in a way to allow you to always end up with some sweet spots despite heavy tweaking. You can also use the dice button to generate random values for all these functions. This brings a lot of fun when you're in need of a bit of inspiration to get you going. Keylab MK3 also comes with an amazing scale feature. It allows you to set up scales on the keyboard so that every note is in key. To activate it, press the scale button. To enter the scale settings, long press the scale button. Inside, you'll see the root and type sections. The root tab allows you to pick the root note for your scale, which can be done with the use of the main encoder. The same goes for scale types. Press the types button to choose your scale. This will lock the keyboard to the chosen scale, so even if you play notes that are outside of it, Keylab will transpose them to the chosen scale. You can also create your own scales by pressing the record button and then pressing whatever notes you want to include. Another major feature of Keylab MK3 is its chord mode. This function allows you to play chords and multiple notes with just one finger, and with scale mode activated, you can easily create harmonious chord sequences. To enter chord mode, press the chord button. After this, the display will show that the chord mode is on. Now, when you again press and hold the same button, the screen will say Create User Chord. To create your chord, simply play up to 16 notes and Keylab MK3 will save them as a newly created chord. The screen will visualize the creation process. You can now also choose various chord types from the preset list, as well as your user chords. Keylab 3 chord mode comes to life with its extra creative features. These are strum, voicing, and spread. Strumming allows you to break down your chord to make it sound like you would be strumming a guitar. Voicing allows you to extend your chord to lower areas of the keybed, up to -3 octaves lower. While spread allows you to add up to 16 notes to your existing chord, and use velocity and aftertouch keyboard modulators that define how many notes will be triggered. What's really cool is that Keylab MK3's arpeggiator, chord, and scale modes can all work together. To make this happen, let's create a new chord, such as this, and then simply activate the arpeggiator. Now, once I press the key on the keyboard, the combination of these features will trigger an arpeggio from the individual chord notes. I can now also activate the scale mode to lock the notes to my scale of choice. Better still, we can activate the hold button and free our hands to start tweaking our sound with random features of the arpeggiator, or using knobs and faders to change the tone of the sound. I hope that after watching this video you will feel a little inspired about how Keylab MK3's creative features can add so much to your creative flow. For more detailed information on Keylab MK3 and how to use it, make sure to watch our video series on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.